Alright, so I'm out of Bogota and I'm going back to Medellin, but this time I chose a different road, which is supposed to be much more beautiful. Sunny and pretty and no traffic. Amazing. Pretty lagoon.
Ooh, I like this. Looks like a perfect spot for a little break. Oh my god, this is so cool, so green. I gotta stop and fly my drone around. There is only one little problem. I cannot stop for too long because I still have a very long way to go and not too many hours before the sunset.
Oh my god, that's nice view. Nice.
Let's go. No time to stop here.
It's getting significantly warmer. Let's see, 500 meters down. So now we're at the altitude of 2,000 meters. Sweetness. I don't know what I'm doing or why I'm doing this, but there is a bridge I want to check out. Why do I like things like this? This river is super cool. I have 1 hour until sunset and for some reason I decided to go on adventures. Nice. With the river down there, mountains in the background. Sweet. Cherry. Let's go. Amazing day. I didn't advance much, but I'm pretty happy anyway. I just hope I can get to Medellin tomorrow. Wait. This is so beautiful. I know I say it a lot, but what can I do? Oh great, so there is a river crossing that nobody told me about. Well, how could anybody tell me about it if I didn't even know I would be going here? So what do? Do we take the crossing? Do we turn around? Maybe I should try crossing. Maybe I should try asking these guys if it's okay to cross here. Buena. ¿Ustedes cruzan con moto?
Sí, pero ahí se puede pasar.
Eso ahí está pavimentado.
Ahí está pavimentado. Ahí
No, que ahí va creciendo un poquitico, pero eso usted deja
moto, eso pasa.
Okay. Wish me luck. Woohoo! Great end of adventures. Now I just have to get to a hotel. New day, and today I just focus on going back to Medellin.
Which is kind of hard because there are so many cool places and I really want to stop all the time for another picture.
beautiful early mornings, and it's not even 8 o'clock yet, and almost no traffic, and the beautiful, beautiful views. Amazing. This is probably the most beautiful road I've seen so far in Colombia. This is like my little Colombian fairy tale.
Wait, what? What happened to the asphalt?
It's unbelievable. This is like one of the main roads. I mean, this is not a back road. No. This is like the main road. Super beautiful, but really challenging at times.
Got inspired by these guys to fly my drone to check out the nature around all these beautiful green hills and the rivers and the bridges. This road is just so cool.
I'm now down from like 2,500 meters to almost 0. Incredible how much the nature has changed. I can't believe it's just been a couple of hours since I've been like very high up in the mountains, and now we're here. This kind of reminds me of Southeast Asia. The nature, the weather, even the people with without helmets with kids on motorbikes. This is the Magdalena River again. If you watched my previous video, then you know what I'm talking about. Really cool bridge. And big beautiful river. Maybe I should go get some fish from the river. I think I deserve this fish. I feel slightly overdressed. Apparently this is how you ride a motorcycle in this town. And we're heading into the mountains again. Haven't seen like a nice curvy road in a while. I mean, like nice curvy road where you can actually lean and, you know, enjoy the speed and get excited about every curve. So this is the first one I've seen in a while. Woohoo! This is fun. And yeah, did I mention that it was beautiful? This is perfect fun to finish the day. Less than 2 hours left to Medellin. Such a cool road, oh my god. Amazing road! This is so cool! The very last part of the road is a perfect highway. Slightly curvy, beautiful views, perfect asphalt.
That's it. Welcome to Medellin.